Hello, students. Wishing you all a very happy new year. Students, in this offline video, we will learn something more about money. How to write rupees and paise in precise form. Let's take this example. Writing 17 rupees and 63 paise in precise form. We can write it as 17.63. The number before the dot represents the number of rupees. So here before the dot is 17. So 17 is rupees over here. Whereas 63 is after the dot. That represents the number of paise. So here it is 17 rupees and 63 paise. And we put rupees symbol before the rupees. And there is no need to write paise after 63. How to write 43 rupees and 3 paise in precise form? We can write it as 43.03. Children, remember, there always have to be two places after the point. So, 43 represents the number of rupees and 0.03 represents the number of paise. Let us understand conversion. How to convert rupees into paise or paise into rupees? We know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Similarly, 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. This relationship between rupee and paise can be explained as follows. To convert rupees into paise, we have to multiply with 100. Similarly, to convert paise into rupees, we have to divide by 100. Conversion of rupees into paise. Let us take this example. Convert rupees 33 into paise. We know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Hence, to convert 33 rupees into paise, we have to multiply it with 100. Have you understood? Why is it? Yes, because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. By multiplying, we get 3300 paise. Hence, 33 rupees is equal to 3300 paise. Let us take one more example. Convert 78 rupees into paise. As we know, children, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So to convert 78 rupees into paise, we will multiply it with 100, which will give us 7800 paise. So 78 rupees is equal to 7800 paise. How to convert 20 rupees and 50 paise into paise? Children, as we know, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. But here in this example, you can say rupee part is also there and paise part is also there. But here we will convert only the rupee part into paise and will add paise to it. So here we will just multiply only 20 with 100 and will add 50 paise to it. So 20 into 100 will give us 2000 plus 50. That means 2050 paise. So on converting 20 rupees in 50 paise into paise, we will get 2050 paise. Conversion of paise into rupees. Let us take this example. Convert 4300 paise into rupees. Children, as we know, 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. So to convert 4300 paise into rupees, we will divide it with 100. On dividing, we will get 43 rupees. Rupee symbol always to be written before the amount. So rupees 43. This is all about today. Thank you, students.